my way. It's all good in the hood, it's a good day. I ain't shackled in the backseat for cat peeling, and sleeping with my woman is a good feeling. Good feeling. Puffing on that yes car, cruising through my hood. Good feeling. Puffing on that yes car, cruising through my hood.
Kangarooing in a 59 Impala, slide the rag to the front, smoke out skunk blunt, 4 hoes and I got 'em all fiending. Gangsta leaning, hitting up and down, high beaming. Tricks double teaming, so I gotta roll with super my dog ALT. 2 for him, 2 for me in the gangbang mobile. We rollin' like Batman, 2 crazy ass baldy Mexicans. And we don't give a fuck if you down low, you not. If you slip, turn your back, punk, you get shot. Deuces be wild on the boulevard. The clone Mossberg punk be my bodyguard. So homie, don't trip on the bomb ass slow. Bomb Mason crew, bounce, rock, skate, roll, stroke. Hitting that chocolate tire so appealing. Roll me up another for the good, good feeling.
Good, good feeling. Puffing on the yes car, cruising through my hood. Good, good feeling. Puffing on the yes car, cruising through my hood. Good, good feeling. Puffing on that yes car, cruising through my hood. Good, good feeling. Puffing on that yes car, cruising through my hood.
Yeah, we hitting that bud, getting all tore up from the floor up high to the ceiling, cause we all budded in that coupe de ville, rolling through the hood. For those of you who trip, check it.
Check 1, 2, now skedat, cause here come that bald-headed fool with the gat. And if I let my buckshot fly to the sky, I put my shit on high, I'm yelling die, vato die. Because I ain't bad as I seem, but if you fuck with me, I got a loaded AK and a black smoke screen, and I could be gone before the break of dawn. Peace out, it's ALT, ball gangster #1.
Sitting shotgun with a 40 on my lap. It's so rough, it's so tough on CD by the Zap. Pulled up and stopped at a green light, cause in the middle of the street they duking it out in a gang fight. Money still making me funky, pounding that Budweiser, fuck the brass monkey punk. And if you trip, I'm giving that ass a real thrilling. Gangsta killing, it's a real good feeling.